Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Banban Clock from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both sides, let's angle it up and out. And then another angle back down. Now let's continue drawing the shape of the clock underneath. From both sides, let's bring it down and then curve it in at the bottom. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the shape. Now let's move in and let's draw the details. Inside each of the horns at the top, let's draw a curve near the bottom. Now inside each one, let's add some diagonal stripes. Next, let's hop down and draw the eyes with 2 circles. And now inside each one, let's draw another circle on the right side. And color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a large circle. And then another smaller circle in the center. Next, let's add the hands of the clock. On top, let's draw 2 lines going up. And then close off the end. Now let's hop down on the left side and let's draw another set of angles going out, making them a little bit shorter. And then close off the end again. And that's it for the Banban clock. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!